Today we are going to do reverse engineering of a small component of machine. We need to make some changes in this model. Right now we can see that here is a hole, and our client requires a square hole inside of this. So for that we have to do a reverse engineering, and a boundary should remain same for this model. So for that, first of all we need to create a mesh section sketch. Go here and insert mesh section, create mesh section sketch, click on body, and for the plane we will select stop plane. We need to move this about here. We can see that this body is uniform in this area, so we don't need to think about other sides. I will keep it here, click OK. Now I can see that I have a very smooth sketch of this mesh, so I need to hide this and go to top plane. And in the sketches I can see that here is our mesh section sketch. Right click on this and edit sketch. Now I will use fit curve to mesh section. Click on this, and here I need to select on spline. So I will select on this, and I will approach like this. After this I have to select on circle, and I can see that this is a circle. So click on this. Now I have a very smooth circle here, and click OK. Now I will use traditional methods like offset, and I will move it. It means that it is minus 1.7 mm thick. So click here. After that I have to offset this, and offset is about 1.7 again here. And as I need a scale inside of this, so I will click on this circle and make it construction, and go to rectangle, and here center rectangle. Now my dimensions are 10 by 10 mm. Now perfect. Here I have to trim this, so click on this and trim like this, and extend this to up to next like this. Now remaining I will trim, and here we need to add a fillet. So for that click on fillet, and here, and I can see that this is good about here. Finish sketch. Now I have to put a line here, so again go to edit sketch, and put a line like this. Okay. This is a very quick video for this reverse engineering exercise. So now I can see that my sketch is ready. I will open this and go to solid and extrude, and I have to extrude this up to yes, and the direction is two sides, and the second side is about 9. The total is 160 mm high. So click OK, and if I hide this, now we can see that we have an accurate CAD model of this mesh. I hope this video will help you to understand how to do reverse engineering using mesh section sketch. Thank you.